Hi John. Today I think it's very wonderful to be with you, and I want to take this opportunity to ask you some questions about the factory tour of our metal fabrication production line workshop. Because as you said, in Vietnam there's a lot of great demand about the steel construction for the frame of the buildings and also the house decoration. So give me some ideas of what you think for today's tour at our factory with our workshop.
It's a great honor for me to be invited to your company, and I'm very impressed with the production from your company, especially with the Malaysia cutting machine.
Okay.
So I also study many times about the machine. So especially I have some experience, especially with the wood cooking machinery. So when I see your machine, I say this it should be a good place for us to consider in the future. So I not yet understand about the quality of your machine. So maybe after using your machine for some time, then we can certify about the quality. But by outside looking, I can say that this is where is the place for me to looking for. So I hope that in the future I can have a chance to cooperate with you in order to give this product to our country, so people can have a chance to study about your machine and then can use your machine.
Yes. Also, like what we have discussed in Vietnam and Southeast Asia, there's a lot of potential market for metal fabrication, including this kind of cutting, bending, and welding process. So in the future, suppose after you receive our machine, if we have new customer from Vietnam to want to visit your workshop to see how is our machine's performance and quality, would you like to allow them to visit your factory?
Sure,
to see our machine performance?
Sure. This is a very simple thing. If we already cooperate together, so we are willing to invite them to take a look at your machine in our market. So by this change, I also let you know that the tendency in the future, many countries now they want to buy the house with the steel frame inside and the decoration outside with another material. So with this demand, I believe that in the future, the demand for the cutting laser machine will be very high. So you have to prepare in advance.
Yes.
The market will be boom for this kind of machinery.
Yes, I also believe so, and I hope in the near future we can close the deal and be sending these machines to Vietnam, and you can send your technician to come to our factory to get the training from our technician. Okay. Thank you so much,
Okay.
John.
You're
and,
welcome.
I wish you all the best.
Thank you. Also thank you for your time and thank you for invitation and showing us everything in your factory.
Okay, thank you so
Thank you
much.
so much.